Hello, everybody, and welcome to the outside. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm carving a pumpkin for the first time. This is going to be interesting. These are the only pumpkins we could find. So, this is the pumpkin that I have. Wow, I look terrible, and I don't care. I'm tired. I'm not sleeping because I'm hand-raising a baby chick. I have a knife. My favorite kind of knife, a chef's knife. Don't wave it around like this. That's not safe. I will probably cut myself. I've also got some lino tools because I'm going to be fancy. I've got a bowl and stuff. I'm not going to tell you I'm carving because it could go the way that I'm planning or it could not go the way that I'm planning. As we all know, when it comes to me, it never goes the way that I plan. So, woohoo. God. This is like what I imagine it feels like to be a serial killer. You know, just calmly stabbing a pumpkin. Oh, yeah, it's a pumpkin. Just keep making this face, that's attractive. I'm not very good at anything in life, really. I'm going to hurt myself doing something that people do. And I'm just like, yeah, let me try this because I've never done it before. And I'm going to hurt myself. I'm doing a terrible job here. Just, yeah. Last one for luck. I shouldn't stab right down. Straight down, that's, oh, I made a mess of that. Oh no, I'm making it worse. Okay, that's fine. I should just be able to lift this out. No, that's not how carving pumpkins works. I'm making an absolute mess of the top here, but it's fine. Oh, there we go, we got it. Yes, wind, blow my hair back. Make it look like a photo shoot. Oh, but not really. Because I look like shit. There we go. That worked surprisingly well. So we're off to a good start there. As far as I understand, we just got to scrape out these innards and go from there. Right? That's how we do things. Shouldn't be wearing white, but hey, this is how I do it. This is how I do it. I'm a beautiful singer, really. What's happening? I maybe should have chopped the top a bit bigger, but I did because I'm a rebel. Slide up those, have a sip of beer. Happy Saturday afternoon to me. I really don't want to put my hands in this. It smells melony. Does not smell like pumpkin. I thought this spoon would be a good idea, but it's turning out to like not be very good. Not particularly helpful. Watch my next plan. It's so stupid, it's gotta work. Yes. Go, little seeds, go. Pumpkins are heavy. Ew. Nope. Like I've said before. Weird texture thing. Nope. Can't do it. That, like all that effort for nothing. The least rewarding job I've ever done. Actually, not true. There are far less rewarding things I've done in my life. It seems like such a waste of a pumpkin, to be honest. It's like, at the end of the day, there's so much edible stuff here. Like, it's food. I don't know, this is a weird thing to do. Like, when I look in there, I'm like, oh yeah, I made progress in... I haven't really. Seems good enough. I really need to wash my hands. Some things I can deal with, some things I can't. This is one of the things I can't deal with. And we're back. Alright, time for another sip of beer. I have a strategy. That strategy was to have my picture printed out and to kind of trace it on here and then carve it out. We'll see how that strategy works. Is that working? No. That's doing nothing. You see, I'm like so professional. Like, oh, look at this tool. I don't know, can you even see it? Is it even focusing? I don't know. Even with my glasses, I can't see that far. Is this working? Yes, it is working. You guys, like, he's just like, Mommy, what you doing? Is it supper time? I don't know. My focus face. Bite the crap out of my bottom lip. Oh no. I don't know what to do now. Okay, I have a plan. I'm going to start by getting the top of the sky down. I already know that I'm doing things wrong, but I also know that the things that I'm doing wrong are fixable. So eat that. Change the angle so you can get a better look at my hideous face. Actually, no. This is pretty satisfying, and I just felt like sharing the satisfying experience with you guys. You can probably already tell what I'm going for here, but who cares? No big deal. I want this to be my thing. This is actually really soothing. I'm having a good time. Chicken break. I'll be honest, I thought I was doing pretty well until now. I'm not doing very well. That's awful. I'm gonna keep working on it, but I can't do this camera angle, so what's going on? So, quick update. It's pretty fucking terrible. I'm hoping I can save this. Oh my god. Why did I not do it the other way? Oh my goodness. Okay. This is helpful. Hello. So I'll be honest, I kind of forgot about it. I finished it and I was like, I've got a baby chicken to look after. And I don't know, I'm just really tired today. My anxiety's kind of bad. It's okay, we'll wait. So I kind of forgot that I had this pumpkin. But it's now 10:30 at night, I think. It's a better time to test a jack-o'-lantern than at 10:30 at night. I'm already in my pajamas and everything, so excuse the massive baggy t-shirt, I guess. So let's light this up and see what happens. I'm trying to be quiet in case family. Also, the chicken is sleeping in my cupboard. Alright, let's turn off the light. Ooh, spooky. I won't lie, that's very underwhelming on camera. It looks kind of cute in person. Rotate it to the cat ghost. Even worse. Oh, there goes the candle. Down. Let me relight it. Cat ghost. Ooh, it doesn't look that bad. It's pretty bad, but not that bad. But yeah, that's as far as I got. Here comes Boo again. She's like, what the hell is that? You You guys are just looking at a black screen.
Yeah, why not?
Okay.
So, that was my first time carving a pumpkin, and as you can see, it didn't go particularly well. And that's Pax in his box. He's been asleep for hours. He's had a big day. So yeah, that's that for this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below. And if you would like to support me in this channel, then please subscribe. Alright, have a wonderful, wonderful night, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!